Hey everyone, this is a production video for the horror game that you have somehow somehow found on YouTube or on Twitch or somewhere. I have a shelf here that I just wanted to program. I just finished modeling it, and this is the... So I'm just checking some things. This is basically the shelf right now. So it's fairly standard. And it's a wooden shelf. I just started applying the materials. So I'm going to go ahead, grab, let's see. I know I have a cabinet wood material that I've already prepared. And... ooh, okay. So that would be... okay, so I can't do that. Oh. Go back. Go back. Go back. Okay. So, what I need to do is... I need to grab the grab-eye. Cabinet wood, yes, perfect. And I need to grab cabinet, no. Cabinet wood for the shelves. So it's that thing. Cabinet wood, perfect. And now I just need to have this guy, which is a handle. Cabinet handle. There we go. That looks good. That looks good. Alright. So what I need to do is I need to let's see, I'm going to select that door. I think I could duplicate it. Yes, no, no. Yeah. You select it as a content browser. Yes. I'm supposed to be able to do it, but it apparently does not want me to. So I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to manually put in the new door. Yes. I have to move it up, put it in the rail, put it up to the proper side. Here we go. Now I need to scale it. Need to reverse it, and that would be, I think, along... hush now, I'll feed you later. Along the x-axis. Alright, here we go. So that's good. So if the door opens up like this, it will open up here. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so that's fine. That can stay like that. And okay, hold on. So I got all those things set up, but I have a gap here, and through this gap the players would be able to see what's inside, and I do not want that to be true. So what can I do here? I can add... I could add a separate piece, or I could move these rails closer. I'm gonna move the rails closer and see how that works out. But if I have to move the rails closer, I have to move them up top and on the bottom. So that one, and this one, and this one. If that is the case, move them up like that. Maybe I have a little tiny itsy bitsy gap. Okay. So I think that's it. And if I select everything, file, export, selection, I should be able to... let's see, I should be able to do Slide cabinet 1. Yes, overwrite. Dehydration setting in. Okay, I'm gonna go back here and re-import the cabinet. And now everything is out of whack. And everything needs to be hunky-dory. Copacetti. Oh, okay, so it's perfect. So that's there. So I need to make sure that the players are not able to peek through the door. So I think instead of making the door like that, I'm actually gonna have to extend the door just a little bit, like wrong axis, like that. And now if I'm going to select the door, I would have to move it over because the point of origin is now different. Perfect. Now I'm going to export selection, slide door, and go back here. Slide door, re-import. Sorry, collecting my thoughts. There we go. Okay, so now it looks good. And now I can just move the door just at the point before it touches the outside. And I can go ahead and keep the things rolling. And now the player is unable to see what is inside unless he actually opens the door. So that's nice. But if that's so, then that means I don't have to sacrifice the positioning of the rails, and I can have the rails back at the original place the way I liked them before. That and that, and I would basically, let's see, somewhere right over there, like that. Yeah, that's good. Alrighty. Excuse me. Export selection. Now with the selection, I would have to export the cabinet. Yes. Close. And okay. I'm gonna go here and re-import the cabinet. Did it? Shh. I think I just saved it as a door. Ooh, whoops. Re-import. There we go. Alright, that works. That's all right and all nice. So now that that has been re-imported, I would have to say that this is coming along fairly well. Now, the cabinet wood, and this is handle. There we go. Same style, same shaders. Works well. Works pretty well. Now, what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to get these pieces and I'm gonna start programming them in. First thing that I need to do is I need to have 2 collision boxes. One in front of here, right there, and I'm going to make them slightly smaller, just a tad. And I'm gonna need another one, because I know duplicating it doesn't do shit. Copy, paste. Okay, copy pasting does it. Duplicating doesn't do shit, actually. So that's that, and I'm gonna position it in the same manner as I did the other one. So this is door right, and this is door left, and then this is box left, and this is box right. Okay, so this does that, and I have a piece of code that already kind of works for me. So I'm just gonna take that code and I'm gonna modify it, and I'm gonna basically let's see, edit blueprint cabinet. So this code already works fine. I just need to copy it and replace a bunch of things. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy one instance, because that's all that I need, and I'm gonna paste it here. Good. Okay, so first things first is I need to have, let's see, left box. Oh, hold on. Box? Oh. Left box. And duplicate that variable, because now we're referencing two different objects. They're not from the same blueprint. And then left door. So that's that. Door left. And yeah, technically right now that should be just fine. It should work, but it's not going to work the way we need it to work. And if I could actually not be an idiot and put the piece, the blueprint of the shelf inside of the actual game, it'd be absolutely fan-fucking-tastic. Alright, so I'm gonna put it a little bit off, maybe even in the center, have some symmetry. So left door, right door, doesn't do shit. Okay, so cabinet can be closed. I did not compile it. Or I did compile it, but I didn't save it. Okay. Oh, that's right. I have not enabled my player input. That's something that I forget a lot. Okay. Oh god, that is wrong. That is so wrong. All right, set relative rotation needs to be set to relative location. Excuse me. Okay, so I need to go update. Convert float to vector now. To vector. No, but I don't. Okay, well, vector, select vector, AB. No, that's not it. I need to vector plus vector. Okay, I need a node that will allow me to select which one of these locations will I be able to use? Make vector? Yes, that's what it is. Oh. Oh. Alright, so that works. Because I am a genius. Okay. Okay then. What I actually want to know is, why does it do the thing that it does? For that I need to be able to spawn right in front of it. Because it seems to be okay. I see how it is. So I actually need to save, get, get relative location, and I need to save that promoted variable. I need to save that and begin play. Crap, I'm gonna need to do this with the second door too. So I know with the rotation I didn't have to do it. I did it, but I didn't have to do it because I didn't use the variable. So it sets the new variable, and this is left door what? Left door origin. Yes. And now I need to add vector plus vector, and I need to get this variable, and I think I need to add that, and then I can apply that there, I think. Yes, perfect. Okay, so that works. I need to move this thing a little bit further, so I'd say maybe twice, almost 3 times. 60. See if that works. This is plus 60. Ooh. Okay, maybe 55. Or even just 50. Compile. Let's check that door again. It's good. I want the door to be fast, but not that fast. Okay, so it's 50, so the mid value would be 25. I want to increase that boolean so that, you know, all these doors actually look like they open the same way. So I have that, and now I just need to boo. There we go. Alright, so now I just need to actually move this thing out for the other side as well. And the other side is basically the same, except I'm gonna have to duplicate. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get the branch event begin play. So that would be that, and I need box right in this case. So that goes here, and that goes here, and I need the door right as well. So that can go here. That should be fine, except I now need to sequence, I now need to create the event, the original position. So door right. Okay, so that works. In, and I need to promote you to variables. So you will be right door origin. Yes. And I will need to save you as well. Right as the game starts, I need to save your original position. Oh crap! What if See, that's the problem. Because what if the shelf is not the same? I mean, what if the shelf does not move along the x-axis? What if it moves along the y-axis? Okay, I'm gonna need to figure that out as soon as I make sure that this works. So 20. So it's negative 25, and this is negative 50, and we need to make sure that this thing is actually working properly. Okay, here we go. Alright, so that should work now for both. Ooh. Oh crap. Why did that happen? They are separate here, yes. Ooh. Oh, that's why. Left door origin needs to be switched to right door origin. Get. And that is door right. Okay, so that should work just fine now. Perfect. Now we'll leave to open the other door. So that's fine. And obviously there's going to be things they need to watch out for when you're opening these doors. Okay, so now here's an experiment. I'm going to compile. And what will happen if I move this like that? And I now need to open it like that. Oh! So it's relative. Which is exactly what the variable relative location means. I was skeptical just how relative it was. I thought it was relative to its own position as opposed to relative to the parent. But you know what? Then again, it says targets the set location of this component relative to its parent. So yeah, it had the information right in front of me. I just didn't know what it meant before. Anyways, so I know that that door works now. And that's fantastic. I just need to check up on something. Here we go. Alright, so that door works. We're gonna compile, save. Alright. Oh, no. Save. I need to change the name for this actually. Saving asset, yes. You sir need a new name. But I cannot. Can I set? No, I cannot set your name in here, unfortunately. I need to find it. Nº2. Close. And Nº2. Rail. Except I'm not using you anymore, so why should you even matter? If I delete you, nothing will happen. Okay. Just delete these unnecessary materials. These things are working just fine. I think the shader, okay, it's shader updated. Perfect. So I now have my bookshelf. I now have my cabinet for all the desirables. Another supply cabinet, so to speak. And now I can make one of these long cabinets that stretch out, throw it over there. Or even better, I can just rotate this one and... Oh, too much. There we go, 10. Move this one down here. Because I know that there's supposed to be one over here according to the concept art. And one over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them flush against each other. Just about flush. Like that. Let's take a look at this. Oh, that might actually present a problem. Because if we're standing right here, that will open both of these doors. And we do not want that to happen. So this one's going to be over here, and this one's going to be just out here. And you know, obviously this is such a rich family because they can afford multiple of these same. Oh god. Alright, I'm gonna delete that. Move that over here. I'm actually just gonna move everything back the way it was. Because I did like that double setup right there. Perfect. So that works quite fine. Let me actually pop in first player mode. Open, close. Good. It's nice and fast paced because the game will pick up pace over time. So that's good. You know, all these doors open up properly. They all function properly. That's always nice to see. You know, you can pick up your stuff. Alright, so I'd say that today is a success. I'm gonna work on a couple more things to finish up, but I'd say I've actually done quite nicely. I finished this cabinet, and I made this cabinet, and it's just great.